parehas, tapos wala namang ginagawa. If you say something, you must prove it. Sabi nga ni Francisco, when I listened to him on one of his speaking engagements, sabi niya, dalawa lang daw ang skill na kailangan mo sa mundo. What is that? Number one skill is you should know how to communicate. Remember. The second one, you should know how to do what you communicated with. Sabihin, dapat alam mong gawin at patunayan yung sinabi mo. Mabubuhay ka na sa mundo. Ganun lang. Totoo naman. Kasi the reason why we get jobs, clients, is because people believe in us. And we should know and we should do kung ano yung pinangako natin. Okay? Be unique, be yourself. Yeah. I'm part of this organization except this one. Okay, I'm a JCI member, Junior Chamber International. And I think there's, ayan, si Sir Felix is part of JCI Tacloban.